Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about easy contractions in the English language, and we're going to learn how to master the shortcuts that make English sound natural and fluent. So, what are contractions? Well, the apostrophe is used to merge two words together. So, the definition of a contraction is it is a shortened form of two words combined into one. The apostrophe is used to show how the words are connected. It takes the place of the missing letter or letters. Simple example, I am becomes I'm. Very quick and very easy. Let's keep going. Why use contractions? Well, it helps you have faster speech. Contractions make speaking faster and more efficient in conversations. Everyday English. They're extremely common in everyday English conversations and casual talk. And you can sound natural. Using contractions help you sound like a native English speaker. Common to be contractions. These are the most frequently used contractions in English. Master these first. I am, I am. I'm happy to meet you. You are, you're a great student. He is, she is. He is my teacher. She is my friend. It is, it's a beautiful day. We are, we're. They are, they're. We're learning English. They're coming soon. To be contractions chart. I'm, your, he's, she is, it's, we're, there. Contractions with will. Use these contractions when talking about the future. They make future tense sound natural. I will, I'll. I'll see you tomorrow. You will, you'll love this movie. He, she, it will becomes he'll, she'll, or it'll. She'll arrive at noon. We will. They will, they'll. We'll study together. They'll help us. Negatives. Negative contractions with not. These contractions express the negative form. Notice that will not becomes won't. It's irregular. Don't, doesn't. It means I don't understand or she doesn't know. These are examples. Won't, can't. He won't go. They can't swim. Isn't, aren't. It isn't ready. We aren't busy. Negative contractions in action. I don't like it. She won't come. He can't swim. Practice saying these out loud until they feel natural. When not to use contractions. Well, in formal writing, when there's clarity needed, and learning phase, it is preferred not to use contractions. Remember this rule. Formal writing, use full forms in essays, reports, and academic papers. Clarity matters. When precision is crucial, spell it out completely. And when learning new words, say the full forms first to understand the grammar, then practice contractions. In these situations, use the full forms for clarity and formality. Practice makes perfect. Say it loud. Practice. I'm happy. You won't go, they'll come. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers and repeat their contractions. Use them daily. Use contractions to sound natural and confident in English. Keep practicing every day, and soon contractions will become second nature. You've got this, and I'll see you again next time in our next video. Bye-bye.